Welcome! In front of me I have BLACKVIEW R3 Pro watch, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the blood oxygen levels on this watch. Before we start, if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. Oh, not heart rate, my bad, blood oxygen levels. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Now, let's continue with the measurement. So, to measure the blood oxygen levels on this watch, first you need to wake up the screen on this watch by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe right on the screen to open the menu. And in the menu, you should see the option called blood oxygen. You can tap on it, and your watch should start measuring the blood oxygen levels automatically after you open the widget. Let's wait a couple of seconds. And once the testing message disappears at the bottom of the screen, it means that the measurement is complete. And here we have the result. You can also repeat the measurement by tapping on this button right here. And once you're done, you can press the side button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you measure the blood oxygen levels on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.